It's Lisa from the House of Jane, and today I'm very excited because I am opening my first Margot Elena box. Before I open the box, I just want to let you know I paid for this with my own money. It's $49.95, 50 bucks, and about $5-6 shipping. This is not a sponsored video. I'm doing this out of my own time, but I saw it on some of other people's channels, old boxes. I did not look at this one on anybody's channel, the most recent one, which is the summer box. So this is my surprise to open it for you guys. If you haven't done so already, I know you're just dying to subscribe to my channel. Come on, hit that subscribe button. And if you want to know when I post a video, there's a little bell and you'll get an email every time I post a wonderful video. So anyway, please subscribe. I'm almost at 100, so I'm really excited about that. So I am going to cut the tape. I did email them to see if there are any discount codes I can give. There's nothing. I mean, you'd have to be a really big influencer to get this for free or to get a code, but they didn't offer me anything. I tried, guys. You know me. I'm always going to try for a bargain or a discount. Okay. Now, they packed this quite well. The box itself is over 5 pounds. And, oh, look how pretty it is. Pretty, pretty. This is the Summer Sun-Kissed Days. Beautiful. Very pretty. All right, I'm going to put on my spectacles because you know I do see better with my specs. Okay, this is subscription box, Margot Elena, number 11, Sun-Kissed Days. I love that little postcard. Oh, look at this. It says here, right here, the wait is over. Yes, I have been waiting. I ordered this during, I think March, when we were like all in lockdown. I was feeling kind of depressed one day. And I'm like, all right, I'm going to treat myself and buy me something nice. And that's what I did that day. I bought me the Margot Elena box. All righty, where to start? Okay. What is this? I'm psyched. See, I need my glasses. I was holding it upside down. It's called Awaken Within Tokyo Milk Light Perfume. Love it, love it, love it. I'm gonna open it. You know I want to smell pretty for y'all. Very nice box. Ooh, Awaken Within Eau de Parfum. Tokyo Milk. Beautiful. I'm gonna get into that. I really like this. Is a honeybee. Do you see that? The camera autofocuses, so I hope I'm still in focus for y'all. So that's the first item. Very, very nice. I am still happy. Second item, cucumbers. Not the kind you eat. This is from the Cottage Greenhouse, cucumber and honey, rich shea butter hand cream, 4 ounces. Oh, by the way, the perfume, how many ounces was that? Even with my glasses, I can't read it. 16 fluid ounces? No, that doesn't sound right. Oh, 1.6 fluid ounces. So that's a nice size. All right, going back to the hand cream. That is 4 ounces. 4 ounces for me will last a long time. Beautiful packaging. Really pretty. And it probably has a little safety seal on it. Yeah, it does. I'm not, and it's the kind you pop. So I can't smell it. But you know, cucumber, besides being a great veggie, it's just very soothing. So that's nice. Still happy. Still happy. All right, I feel like it's a holiday. Look at this. I gotta tell you, they pack a lot in this box. And for $50, I think it's a good value. Okay, it's another cream. Alrighty. Oh no, it's not a cream. And I've used this brand before. It's called Lolia. It's called Relax Perfume Shower Gel, Lavender and Honey. Very nice. This is 8 fluid ounces. I can see in there. Very nice. Lavender and honey. Very nice combination. Okay, so happy. What is this? Everything's pink and girly. Ooh, this looks like a candle. And it is a perfume luminary. Always in Rose by Lolia. Anyway, that's really pretty. I always have problems opening things on camera. Okay, it's very subtle, but I don't care. It's gonna smell nice. Woo! And this is gonna make a really nice tin to hold stuff in. Okay, that's item number 4. Here's item number 5. It is Cherry Balm, and ooh, it is a lip balm bomb. It's also by Tokyo Milk product. Okay, let's see. Oh, how sweet. It's clear, so it's a clear balm, perfect for your purse. Smells, I should smell it again when it's open. Very nice. It does smell kind of subtle like a candle. And again, the packaging is just gorgeous. Isn't that cute? I should have been a package designer. Okay. Oh, this is from my Tootsies. This is the Cottage Greenhouse Rosemary Mint Rescue Foot Cream. Well, I don't stand on my feet all day, but, you know, my feet need love too. And this is very nice. It looks pink. Look at that, it's whipped. Oh, very minty. I have to tell you, keep this away from little kids. They would look at this and think, oh, Mommy, I want to taste that. I know I would as a little kid. So, you know, keep this on a high shelf in your vanity. Very, very nice. Again, the packaging is exquisite. Love, love, love. Okay, there's more. There is more goodies. And I think I'm saving the best for last. Okay, what is this? I'm so excited. This box is sold out. But the fall one is on sale. Okay, this is another foot product. It is a pumice foot scrub by the Cottage Greenhouse Rosemary Mint. So after you scrub your feet, you put on your lotion and you're good to go. And your significant other can kiss your feet. So, I mean, there's a lot in here. Again, keep this away from children. Love the packaging. Okay, now there's 2 cards. Oh no, there's 3 cards. The first one is, Aren't You the Cheeky Monkey? I don't know if you can see that. And these look like they're blank inside. Cheers to having your cake and eating it too. Very classy looking. And Just Because. So, just because you're thinking of someone Instead of sending them a text, send them a letter in the mail. I'm a letter writer. I always write thank you notes. I make my children write thank you notes, and they're all boys. But they do. Hopefully it carries over. And the last thing, which I love because it's so unique looking, it's a diary, and it's called Imagine. And it's also by Lolia, for Margot Elena. Oh my Lord. Is this not like too pretty? It has a built-in bookmark. Check it out, guys. And this is magnetic. I don't know if it's supposed to come with a pen, but I have a ton of pens. And it's just a diary. And you can use this for whatever. You can use it as a planner. You can use it to write your first novel. You can use it as your, put all your secrets in it. Shh, I don't have any secrets. I do have secrets. Everybody does. So let's recap this summer 2020 Margot Elena box. Got the really nice planner, built-in bookmark. Imagine what I'll write in here. Wouldn't you want to know? I have cards. Very nice. Because I do love stationery. I love all kinds of stationery products. And I do write letters occasionally. I need to get better at it, though. We have the Bonbon Cherry Balm. Very nice. We have the Luminary candle. Rose and Hibiscus. I don't think I mentioned that. The Tokyo Milk Awaken Within perfume. Oh, I didn't tell you guys, but it's Jasmine Orange Blossom. N'Oreal Citrus and Sky. Ooh. It smells delicious. It's also something you want to spray in a light bulb. This makes the whole room all sexy. We have the Rich Shea Butter Hand Cream, Cucumber and Honey. We have the Foot Pumice, Rosemary Mint. And then after you pumice your feet, you use your Rescue Foot Cream. Oh, well first you actually got to take a shower. Use your shower gel. Then do all the other stuff. And that is it. I love it, love it, love it. I'm probably going to buy the fall box, but I don't know. I'm kind of like, I have so many products. I want to get through it. But, you know, they would make some great giveaway products too. So, I don't know. Stay tuned. I definitely recommend. I give this box a 10. It's beautiful packaging, beautiful items, and I can tell they're really high quality. So, it's Margot Elena box. It's a subscription box. And I search for any kind of discount codes and deals. There are none. So you are going to have to pay full price plus shipping. So like I said, it was like $56 total shipped. The box itself is $49.99. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I enjoy making them. I'm going to make some more soon. And I hope to see you. Subscribe, hit that like button. You know you want to. And I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye.